So hello everyone, I hope you all people are doing great and learning this language in a great way. So friend, this is me Anamika and this is my YouTube channel. You all know that I have a keep challenge 1 to 30 days that without skipping any day I will do practice. So friend, this is my 10th day and you all can see this is night time. Actually friend, I had lots of work today. Because of that work I can't record my video today, and that is the reason I am recording this video at this time, and this is night time, you can see. And sorry for being late, but next time I won't do again like this type of things. So friend, as you can see, I am on the road, and that is my house like there. And I just want to show you all that we have lots of work. I consider I have already many work. Like you all know that I am a teacher, and you can say a YouTuber, and I am a student too. So friend, I have also lots of work, but I do practice every day without skipping any day. You all can see. So friend, I want to tell you that what is the reason I came late today. Because friend, I went in market for my scholarship form, for fill my scholarship form. So I came late because they takes my time 4 hours. So I didn't get time. So that is the reason, and I'm recording this video at night time. And I don't feel any shame because I like to talk to you all, and you all know that I love talking with you all guys. And you can say I am very talkative, but yeah, the person who understand my feelings, the person who getting my emotion, so I talk with them very well, otherwise I don't talk. So friend, in this video I am going to tell you that how you can practice without any partner. So friend, see, you can't see any person here because this is road, and I came on the road because here is light, so I can record my video very well, and that is the reason I came here. So friend, you can see there is no any friend, you can do practice too. So friend, as you can see, there is paddy plant, and you can see, like if you want to say dhan ki bali, how to say in English, so you can say paddy ear. How you will say in English? This is paddy ear. Now you can see the paddy ears. So friend, as you can see, I will show you some things and I will try to translate them in English. So friend, now you can see that I am on my road, and here is many grass. So I will pull to them like this. So friend, it is called, now how I will say to them, like I can say I am pulling the grass like this. I am pulling the grass. So friend, you can see I have pulled the many grasses at this time, not much, it is less, but I just want to show you that how you can practice. And you can see here is no anyone, only I am here and my confidence here. So you can speak to, it is not, don't think about the perfect time, that when you will get time then you will practice. Don't think about time, you can practice anytime. So I think you are enough for yourself, and today I am going to stop this video here because it is night time, and my mama is waiting. So I hope because of this video you get motivation, and you feel that you can do too. If I can do, so you can do too. So friend, I will meet you in next video with another topic. Thank you very much.